Okay, I'm gonna log into our computer here like we normally would. Every time your computer turns on, you have to enter in your password. And now that you're logged into Windows, you wanna head over to Start Menu and you wanna type in user accounts. And best match, it's the ad editor. Remove other people rainbow system settings. You wanna left click on that now. You wanna left click on the left side where it says sign in options. Now on the right side, it says require sign in. If you've been away, when should Windows require you sign in again? When PC wakes up from sleep, you want to set it to never. Once you've done that, you can close out of the settings window, head back to Start Menu, and now you want to type in any TPL WYZ best match comes up. You want to run that command by left clicking on it one time, and now, where it says users must enter a username and password to use this computer. You want to uncheck this box? Click on Apply Now. You're gonna have to insert your computer password to save the change. Click on OK again. Now when we restart our computer, and there you go guys, we can see we are automatically signing into Windows without the need to manually insert a password. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. I hope you have great success with it. And as always, thank you for watching and goodbye.